Well, whether you're cooking for the whole family or just yourself this March break, Chef Paul Lillakas has a recipe for us today. Delicious restaurant quality ribs. I'm all in.
Oh, man, me too. Ribs, man, Annette, are my favorite meat, and they scream of spring and summer. And with this weather coming up, I know everybody's ready to fire up that grill, and I'm gonna show you my foolproof method to make them fall off the bone every time.
Okay, where do we start with this?
Okay, so it starts with pork back ribs, and I think a lot of people are intimidated by pork back ribs, but there's really only one thing you have to do to make them great. It's remove this membrane at the back of the ribs. So just take a sharp knife and use some paper towel to grip it, and then just yank it off, and that way the ribs will become nice and tender. It doesn't break down. So get that off there, and now we're just going to flavor them. So I'm doing these in the oven first. That's the secret. And I'm going to use some chipotle infused olive oil. I wanted to shine a light on a local small business that I love. It's called My Olive. It's family run. Look at the color on this oil. They produce wonderful products that really get me excited in the kitchen. So this has a little heat to it, some salt, and a little bit of pepper. And that's it. That's it for now. I'm just going to give that a nice little rub and then cover with foil and then into a 275-degree oven for 4 hours. That's the key. And then they will fall off the bone, and then you can finish them any way you like. So into that oven, and this is what they'll look like after 4 hours. You can see the meat is pulling away from the bones here, so you know that they're just going to fall apart. And here's another product I'm really excited about. Maple Bourbon Balsamic, which I have made into a reduction just by gently cooking it until it becomes sticky and sweet, and the whole house smells amazing. And now I'm just going to brush the ribs with it. So look at
So
the
did you
shine
make that sauce then? Like how? And do you have the recipe on your website?
This is just My Olive bourbon maple balsamic vinegar, heated gently until it caramelizes and becomes
that's
thick.
it.
That's it. And you could smell those maple notes and those bourbon notes. Man, I feel like March break is a time to play, and playing in the kitchen is where I love to be. So this is great for kids and adults. You can get the kids involved, get them to do the brushing. And My Olive has 3 locations in the GTA and an online store and a tasting bar. So if you're looking to make a little excursion, you can go try out some things. And if you want, take these to the grill. Let that just caramelize more, give them a nice shiny coat, or you could throw them back in the oven, and then this is what you'll end up with. Beautiful, fall off the bone, shiny restaurant quality ribs, which I'm gonna serve with a nice garden salad that I'm also going to coat in a vinaigrette that I've made from My Olive, pepperoncini, olive oil, and Sicilian lemon balsamic white vinegar. Look at the color on that. And a little black plum. And, you know, this may seem fancy, but it's all about quality ingredients. So you get quality ingredients, you start with them, your food's always going to be delicious.
And plums are so nice in a salad because it's that sweetness.
Yeah. Sweetness and sour. So sometimes some bites will have a little pop of acidity, which is nice to balance, or some of them are sweet. So it's exciting and they're beautiful.
Okay, I want to get back to the ribs for just a quick second here, because if you're going to put them and finish them on the barbecue, what do you, like how long do you put them on there for?
So I just like to put the barbecue at a nice medium temp, shut the lid, and let that smoke do the work for you. You're basically just baking them gently, but they're going to get that kiss of smoke, which gives you that grilled flavor, and on the bottom, they'll caramelize. They'll get those crispy edges, so every time you bite into it, you'll get that grill taste, and I'm ready for summer. I feel like it's time to fire up that grill. So try it out. Support a local business, and yeah, get cooking. Play in the kitchen.
Oh, I am so hungry. And you know what? Ribs at home are great because you're so close to the sink. You could just wash your hands right afterwards, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. Right here.
All right. We'll get the links up to your social media and your website at chch.com. Chef Paul, always great to chat with you.
Likewise. Thank you. Happy March break.
Happy March break to you.